Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, today I will give a tutorial on the Buildbox application. So I will make a video on making your ice cream play in Buildbox. So first let's go to the main map. Okay. Then we click the next ice cream play. Hi. Ice cream play. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how to enter a new font because there's only one font here, the default font. Okay, so we go to tools. Then we click on the font editor. Then we just enter the name of the font that we have here. Okay. Besides being able to enter the font, you can also change the color. So here I will change it to white. Last we just click it. This is white. Okay. Last we just click add. Well, because I want to make two colors, so now I'm going to make the same font but different colors. Black or gray. Okay. Gray. Okay. Nah. Well, because I want to it depends because then we click the button on the keyboard, Command S or Ctrl+S. Okay. And then font becomes out like this. Then we'll delete this page. Then we open the application. After that, we go to the main map. Then we go to the UI screen again. Okay. Then we enter the navigation button and font. The first font text is the name of the game. For example, is the game Running Back. This and the second font will fill with the text play to be put on the button. Okay. Finally, we just set the layout and size. Finish. Okay guys, it's all from me. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.